this tutorial, we're going to have a little fun. We're going to create a special effect like you seen in the very beginning of this video. We have your video timed with beat of the music, zooming in and out. So it's just for fun. If you want to follow along, you can follow along. There's different applications you can use this in, but we'll just create this one just for the heck of it. So I got this from Video Blocks, this video clip, and the music I got it from Production Crate. So it's all done in pan, event, pan and crop. So put the cursor at the beginning and zoom in. Right click, select sharp. Restore, right click, select sharp. I'll continue doing this. Copy, paste, restore, sharp, paste, restore, sharp, paste, restore. You get the idea. Sharp. Losing track here. Paste. Change this one to sharp. So I finish there. Let's take the music in. Split it, delete it, so fade out, I'm going to change this, so I'm going to play it back. And what you can do is you can add other videos next to it to start doing the process over again. So it's you can just use your imagination and just experiment. That's what I was just doing tonight. I had nothing to do, so I was just doing some experimentation, and it turned out fairly good. So it's something different. And if you like this little video clip, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.